Hey Sugar Plum, my name is Evelyn and this channel is Planning Day Eve. Different location, right? Looks a little bit different, but a lot of things are going to be changing in 2020 for this channel and I am so excited. But today we're getting into a DIY video for the holidays. I just wanted to say hi before I let you see this video. I did record it previously and I can't wait to hear what you think about this project and what sticker book you're gonna try out. Will it be winter? Will it be Christmas joy? Will it be a memory keeping, or like we like to call it, OG sticker book? OG Happy Planner sticker book? I don't know. You let me know in the comments below, but let go and use those stickers, babe. Let's get into the DIY. I took stickers from some of my favorite sticker books to create these lovely ornaments for tree trimming. And I just want to show you how easy they were. The first thing you want to do for this project is pick a base for an ornament. I actually found these lovely snowflakes, 5 in a pack, for $1 at my local Dollar Tree. The thing you'll need is Mod Podge, some type of applicator or brush, and stickers. Plenty of stickers. I found what stickers I wanted to use to create a theme or a scene. I placed those stickers on a white sheet of paper and cut it closely to the sticker line. Once all of my stickers were cut out and ready to go, the next thing to do was to put Mod Podge on the back of the sticker and adhere it to my ornament. Then I went ahead and put Mod Podge on the front of the ornament to seal it all together. So, what did you think? What did you think about this DIY? Was it something that you would try to do? I'm telling you, it was super easy. All you need to do is go to one of the same stores that you get your stickers from and grab some of those supplies and you'll be ready to go. So, again, in the comments down below, let me know what you're gonna do with this tree trimming project, or maybe you'll even make it your own and use like circle ornaments that are solid, or squares, or the little globe ones. Oh, that would be totally cute. I can't wait to hear from you. Talk to me in the comments below, and if you're new, I hope you enjoyed this video so much that you'll consider liking it, commenting, and subscribing to the channel so we can keep in touch. Until next time, make sure you enjoy your planner time just as our littles enjoy Christmas Eve. Bye.